Hey everyone, today we are solving LeetCode 704 binary search. This is one of the fundamental problems you need to know for coding interviews. Let's break it down step by step. We are given a sorted array and a target number. We need to return the index if the target exists, otherwise we have to return -1. Let's see with a working example. Here we have an nums array and target as 9. So we start with left is equals to 0 and right equals nums dot length -1. This is basically 2 pointers. Now the step 1. We have to find the mid. To find the mid, we have to do left plus right divided by 2. In this case, it's going to be 0 plus 5. 5 is the length of the array and we are going to find the mid element which is at the index 2. At the index 2, we got the element which is 3. Now we have to check if the target element is greater than 3 or it's less than 3. In this case, the target element is greater than 3. So now we have to increment the left and to increment the left, we have to do mid plus 1. Since the mid element was 2, we are going to do plus 1, which is going to give us left is equals to 3. Now, in the second step, we have to find the mid again. In this case, the mid is 3 plus 5 divided by 2, which gives 8 by 2, which is 4. So the new mid is at the element at the index 4. Now, since the target and the mid element are same, we are going to return the index 4. Let's see the code of it. In this, we are going to first define left and right, left as 0 and right as nums dot length -1. And then we are going to use a for loop in which we are going to first find the mid using the formula we discussed earlier, and then we are comparing the target with the nums of mid. This is the element which is at the mid. If the target is less, we are going to increment uh, uh, like change the value of right to mid -1, and if the target is greater than the element at the mid, then we are going to make the left as mid plus 1. If the target is equals to nums, we are going to return the mid. And at the end, if we didn't find the element, we are going to return nums -1. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.